welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Malhotra. Finally after few months we are back with another honest review video. हमें काफ़ी टाइम लग गया वापस YouTube पे आने पे क्योंकि I got pregnant and now I have delivered a baby girl 2 months back, and now we are back with so many videos, so many reviews and travel videos. We'll share with you later in a few months. Now we are giving you honest review on a product sent by Gift Kya De that I have ordered for my husband for his stuff to organize. Now today he will tell you all the stories and all the things that he has for this product. This product was sent by Gift Kya De and we literally love this product because it is made in India and they have delivered within a few days. 2 to 3 days they have delivered this product to us and we actually love it. We'll tell you why we actually love it.
Okay. So I will tell you why this product is beneficial for me or for you or for any other one, because it's sturdy. It won't move. See, if you can hear the sound, it seems to be sturdy. Plus it has many counters where you can put in your things which are required, and so you don't need to spread it all over in your drawer, office drawer or anywhere else, and you can just put everything in these spaces like we have put it as a sample for you. And it's very useful for office work, considering that in office we only get one drawer and one simple desk, so we can't organize all our things, but here we can, with the help of this, you can keep all the things in the desired places. And plus it has a secret drawer which I'll pull it through. So it has a secret drawer which I can pull through, and if you want to keep your medicines or some secret things behind in the office, you can keep it here.
We have kept our medicines and they have ample spaces in each quarter. We have sharpeners, erasers, medicines and sticky notes in these secret boxes. And in these quarters we can keep our pen, our markers, our sticky notes, our cute accessories, these stationery important things that I really like, I really want to keep. These are cute protein bars that you want to eat when you are doing some office work or any important work on laptop. These are the cute things, and this is your small quarter where you can keep anything. Your give me those.
Business cards.
These are my business cards that I can keep here. It is very easy to use all these things.
It's even lightweight, and it's not only for office people, it can be used for even school teachers and artists, and every kind of person can use it. You can keep it in your home as well. It looks cute, it's nice, so you can buy this from giftcarry.com. So it seems to be a nice product to me.
Yeah, it seems to be a nice product to me as well.
So by ordering this, you are buying a product that is made in India. So in this way you promote the Indian people, Indian brands exactly. For this kind of things.
Exactly, because we are promoting all the Indian brands on our channel as well. As you know that girls like to keep their things organized. They have makeup, brushes, earrings or bangles. We have all the organizers for all the stuff, but for these kind of stationery stuff you don't have such organizers in the market. And I was searching for one, and I was just scrolling down to my Instagram and I find this Gift Kya De website on Instagram, and I just thought that I should give a try. And it's a very good product and I'm very happy with it because I gifted this to him and he's very happy. So my mission is completed.
Thank you.
Nahin. So this is from our side and we are done for today. I hope you all like this video, and we are just hoping that you will like our channel as well. If you want to keep going with us on this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want to get all the daily updates of our life and of our new cute baby's life, you can follow us on Instagram, The January Mom. I'll give you the link in the description and it is coming here as well. So just like us, and we hope that you really love this video and other videos. We'll come with another travel videos as well when we will start traveling, because now our baby is a newborn, so we can start traveling after a few months. We hope that you will like that also. So thank you so much. This is from our side, Mr. and Mrs. Malhotra. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Finally, we are back after few months. Actually, the reason was I got pregnant and now we have delivered our baby girl. Sorry, I have to.
Yeah.
I have ordered.